Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page information. Today in this particular video, we will talk about naproxen tablets. I will tell you some uses of naproxen tablets, and also I will tell you how to use, and at the end of this video, we will also discuss some side effect of naproxen tablets. So let's going to tell you what are the main uses of naproxen tablets. So naproxen tablets is basically non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs, which means this is not a steroid. There is no steroid in this, but it can help to reduce the swelling. So now we are coming when and what are the main uses of naproxen tablets. So first of all, we can use naproxen tablets for migraine attack. We can also use naproxen tablets for muscular strain. We can also use it for arthritis, lumbago, muscular ache, bursitis, and in some cases, if severe pain is there and menstrual pain, for the female, we can also use this one. We can also use naproxen tablets for toothache, and this is also very helpful for the gout attack. And same case when there is a severe attack of backache, both in male and female, we can also use naproxen tablets to reduce or finish this kind of pain of the backache. This is also very useful for fever and for headache and so on. We can also use for common cold. So these were the some uses we talk about the naproxen tablets. Now we are going how to use these kinds of tablets, because if we are using naproxen tablets, we also need to know about the uses, that how to use them. So first of all, during or after a meal, okay, 8 to 12 hours between doses. This is the dose. How long till complete or if more than 10 days, contact your doctor in case of headache, migraine. Safety, if we are going to talk about the safety, drive not with vertigo, dizziness or fatigue. Alcohol, moderate. Food, no restriction. So now we are coming the dose. So first of all, adults 202 to 55 milligram every 8 to 12 hours, maximum 705 milligram a day. Elder who weight is more than 65, whose age is more than 65 year, maximum 400 to 500 milligram a day. Those children, they have more than 6 year, maximum 10 to 11 milligram per body weight per day, and do doses for a maximum of 3 days. Children more than 12 years or more than 50 kg, they can take on this kind of medicine 200 milligram a time every 12 hours, maximum 500 milligram a day. So we are now coming to side effect of naproxen tablets. If you are using naproxen tablets, what kind of side effect will be there? So first of all, the main side effect, which is from 1 to 100%, is heartburn, nausea, stomach pain, constipation, headache, dizziness, allergic reaction, and sometime from 0 to 1%, thirst, diarrhea, vomiting, palpitation, vertigo, reduced hearing, blurred vision. So these were some side effects of naproxen tablets. So I think you have liked this kind of the video. If you liked this video, please follow me on my Facebook and subscribe my YouTube channel information. Because in this channel I am usually bringing very informative video. See you again in next video. Thank you for watching and take care.